Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, and you share this content out to your other social media platforms, because sharing is what? What's sharing? Sharing is caring. Okay, y'all. So today I'm going to talk to y'all about this right here. What is this? Do you even know what this is? This right here is stretch cord. It's stretch cord. Now, whenever you, as a creator, as a jewelry designer, whenever you are making and creating anything for anyone, the very first thing you have to think about is, one, the longevity of something, whatever it is that you're making, whether it's for them or a custom order. You got to think about the longevity of how long will they have that item that you are creating. Okay? Number two, you also have to think about quality. Quality, quality, quality. Just because something is expensive doesn't mean it has good quality. And just because something is cheap doesn't mean that it has less quality. Okay? Those are the things you have to think about. If you go to any store and purchase a bag or anything, you got to think about the quality. Okay? When you think about the quality. But you also want to think about what you are giving your customer. Okay? You got to think about the quality of what you are giving your customer as a consumer. Now, whenever, and I'm speaking only from my perspective, okay? I'm not saying that everybody needs to do this, because people are going to do what they want to do. But this is what works for me. A few years ago, I created my son some wood bracelets, okay? And if you all can remember, I did a video called the I don't know if it was the 3-bead theory or it was something with the 3 beads in it, okay? I made my son a bracelet. And until this day, right now, my son still has that bracelet, okay? This was 3 years ago. So you honestly have to think about the quality of when you are making and creating things, okay? Like I said in the beginning, sometimes even if you pay a lot of money for it, it still doesn't have good quality. And sometimes when you pay lesser money, it has good quality. So it just depends on what it is that is being created, okay? Whenever I make my stretch bracelets, I always use Stretch Magic. I use the 1mm / 0.39 inch, the 25M, 82.02 feet. This is what I use. I do not use anything else. Make sure you get the 1mm, okay? This is the best. So whenever you are making and creating any type of jewelry using stretch bracelet, spend the money. Even though some people may say, oh, 3-4, spend the money. Because if you get the smaller, if you get an off-brand kind, sometimes you just don't know how that's going to hold up, okay? And you want something that is going to last. Because when people are spending their hard-earned money, the times that we're living in now, where the food prices and everything is jacked up and it's way more expensive, You got to think about the quality. You got to think about what they're getting. You got to think about how long they are going to have whatever you're making, how long they're going to have it, and how long they're going to be able to enjoy it. Because sometimes when people get a favorite piece of jewelry and they have it for a long time, they will wear it over and over and over and over again, okay? So this is what I use. I do not use anything else, so I'm not speaking about other brands. I'm only speaking about Stretch Magic, okay? Now, whenever I make my stretch bracelets, my stretch rings, or whatever it is that I'm creating, I rarely put glue on mine. Now, there are people that put glue on theirs. That's fine. If that's what you choose to do, that's your prerogative. But I don't do that, okay? I feel like as long as I stretch my cord, because you have to stretch it, and some people say, oh, I feel like you're stretching it too much. Nope, I'm not stretching it too much. I'm stretching it enough because with stretch cord, over time, it is going to stretch even more. And if you've ever bought yourself a favorite piece of jewelry from maybe some type of craft show, and you get it and you wear it a lot, and you'll see the gaps. But if you stretch it, I guarantee you that person will be able to have that bracelet for many years to come, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all really quick how to make a ring. And I'm just gonna put on, now this is what I'm using. Okay, these are some, I'm gonna say some plastic or acrylic beads that I purchased from Michael's a long time ago. I have not used these up at all. And I'm gonna also put some spacer beads on here, okay? I got some spacer beads, some gold spacer beads, and you can purchase these from Amazon.com, okay? You can get these spacer beads from Amazon.com. I should have put the spacer bead on, but I rarely do record my videos like this, only because I feel like people cannot really see what you're actually doing from so far away. But y'all forgive me today, okay? Because y'all know this is not my normal me. But anyway, I just wanted to put my face on the camera. So this is what we have so far. And I'm gonna take these two off only because I wanna put spacer beads. Now the spacer beads that I'm using, I purchased these from, you can get spacer beads from anywhere. Michael's, Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby. You can get them from anywhere. Okay. And I'm actually doing like a spacer bead and then a bead. Let me show y'all. And that's what I have so far. And I really don't know how many of these I'm gonna need, y'all. So just bear with me while I put them on. And then I'll just count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6mm. These are some 6mm beads. Now, I don't know if y'all can remember or recall some time ago, probably maybe 2 years ago, I'm gonna say, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I did a haul on some beads, okay? Now, the last thing I think I'm gonna do, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I'm gonna add on one of these big ones, okay? This will probably be too big for my finger, but let's just see. Let me add these together. I'm gonna add one of these. This size is a 12mm. And this, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that in this bag that I got, that I purchased, it was 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and 6 millimeter beads. So let me just see, y'all. That's what this looks like. This is gonna be a ring. And you always wanna make sure that whenever you are making any type of stretch, that your, yeah, I think this would be perfect. That your, the bead that you're using, the very last bead that you're using, you wanna make sure that it has a nice size hole in it. And the reason why you wanna do that is because you wanna make sure that your knot that you have, that's my ring, y'all. Ain't that cute? That you have on your bead will go through, okay? Now let me show y'all. These beads have a nice size hole in them. There, it's terrible. I can't even see the hole. Where's the hole? Really? Now y'all probably can't see that, but they have a nice size hole. So let's just try on our ring. And y'all, you can do these rings in so many type of colors and sizes and shapes. You know, this is something that you can also add to your stretch bracelets. See that? Now let's try it on. This is perfect. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. You can make a whole bunch of these in different type of colors and assortment. And if you have any stretch cord left over, you can use a lot of your stretch cord that you make from your bracelets to make your rings, okay? So, I hope this video has helped you all today. I want to take this time and say thank y'all so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, thumbs it up, and until my next upload, happy crafting, everyone. See ya.